see the time quickly. Just woke up 7 in the morning. 7 in the morning. Over there. Can you guys see the time? Yes. 7 in the morning. 6th April. Saturday. Yes. So how long did I sleep? If this is 7 in the morning, when did I come to sleep? That's a good question because I forgot the answer. V11. Don't remember. Don't remember. Okay. But need to get up. Need to get started. Great. Shano is coming today because it's Saturday. He comes twice a week. Saturday, Sunday. Okay, great. Let's quickly make the bed. Like that quick. And got out. Yeah, it still says 5 and 5th April because I slept before 12 in the morning. But now 6th April. Saturday. There, Saturday. 6th April, Saturday. Okay, I've got my vest over here. So, see you guys very soon. So, I just put in some food over there. Let's see who gets it first. Okay, here we go. And now this one. Great. There, that mosquito is stuck. Okay, the taping is done, guys. And on the other side, yeah, over there, as you can see, I have also added the double-sided tapes over there. So, yeah, like that. I now am going to put this over there. So, this is done. As you can see, 9 glasses. Not 9 glasses, actually 18 glasses to be technical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pairs of glasses. So 18 glasses. This there. Yeah, rack number 2 is over there. This time I didn't tape and they got a little like instead of horizontal, they got a little slightly angled, but other than that, it's looking great. No, it's looking great overall. It's a new design. Do you guys think that the camera is getting charged? No, because the computer is sleeping. Yes. If you are thinking these are all the glasses that I have got, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 glasses, all the glasses that I have got, no, then you are wrong, because I have got more glasses. I have more circular glasses, maybe 6 or 7 of them, but we cannot find it for now. But later we'll be able to find it, then we'll put it up over here. Looking dangerous when I zoom in, doesn't it, guys? Well, these two vests are little big, this much and that much, so I have marked them. Now it's time to go to the tailors. Guys, my mother has finally found out the things we were looking for. The rest of our glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more glasses. 2 more. We need to make a few more shelves. Job's done, guys. We are getting some curtains for the windows. Done. One is enough, guys. We don't have that many curtains, so one is enough. Guys, as a kid, I used to measure my height with my mother, and nowadays I don't care about the height so much, but yeah, you can clearly see the difference. We are going to get this curtain downstairs in our room, and also this curtain downstairs. Curtain remover. 1, 2, done. 3 needs to get done. 1, 2, 3, done. Needs oil. My mother needs some curtains upstairs, so this is the curtain. She was thinking getting it upstairs, but then I thought it would look much better downstairs. So this is actually a green screen which I purchased some time ago, couple of years ago, 1.5 years ago. Okay, so we are going to get this cloth on these 3 windows as curtains, and these 3 clothes or cloths are going to go upstairs as curtains. Got the vests, got the green cloth, got the numbers for measurement. Each curtain 40 rupees each, 120 rupees. The vests 20 rupees each, 40 rupees. So 120 plus 40, 160 total tomorrow morning. Security guard charge 6,000 to 5,000. Guys, they are looking for some security guards in Chandanagar. 6,000 to 15,000 salary. 12:30 p.m. guys, you can clearly see the sun, how brightly it's shining. But now I need to walk my bike for 10 to 15 minutes in this sun. I've got some protection, okay. So 10 to 15 minutes, then guys, according to the repairman, he is saying that the oil is rotten. We need to get some new oil, some new petrol. So guys, we have the garage behind me. This place looked good, so I thought let's just show up. It's a little dangerous, but yes. So let's see how it goes. I don't trust them enough to leave the bike with them, so I told them to do it as soon as possible. কতদিন থাকে তাও পেট্রোল ভালো
থাকে মোটামুটি চললে ঠিক আছে না চললে এখনকার যে পেট্রোলগুলো বেরিয়েছে না ইথানল সব দিয়ে দিয়ে গন্ধ
Heart of the bike. Guys, they don't have petrol in their garage. What sort of bike garage is that? But now I have to go to get some petrol. I'm a little worried about my bike. I hope they don't take away parts from my bike. So 100 rupees. Okay, got the petrol. Need to cross the road safely. Lots of vehicles are coming. Shit. Okay, crossed the road. Let's go there quickly. 200 rupees, guys. 200. Guys, I was riding it fine, but it suddenly stopped working.
এটাই বলছি।
Guys, just take a look at my condition. Totally full of sweat. Guys, take a look. The battery was down. Guys, this bike needs petrol, so I am first going there to get some petrol. But it's very risky to vlog like that. On the cycle, it's okay. So, not on the bike. So let's just go and get the petrol. Roadblock. Every time I have to stop the bike, I'm getting a little scared. Let's see if it gets started. Let's kick it. This is not going to work. This is not gonna work. The battery doesn't have enough charge. So the kickstart. Let's see. Okay. Worked. So where was the problem? So if you have a petrol bike, you need to keep it running at least once in a week. My bike was not running for 2 to 3 months. So that's where the problem was. So now I have got my lesson, 200 rupees. I needed 200 rupees to learn my lesson. So got it. Let's have some sugarcane juice.
अरे बड़ा बात तो उसका जो छिल देता मुक्का सारा बा हमारे वहाँ पे वो ना हमारे को ना ना तू ले जो
Just 20 rupees, guys. Just 20 rupees. And back there, we have Ganga River over there. River Ganges. You can come here to take a shower, to take a bath. Up to you. Which one, guys? Dry waste or wet waste? I think wet waste. Biodegradable. Guys, just look at the water level. Generally, the water level is up there, up to that mark. But right now, the water level is really high. So you can easily take a bath. Hello doggy, what's up? Doing good? Yeah. Lots of people collect water of Ganga. Yeah, have your food. Guys, the foods become really dry. That's for sure. But good enough for the doggy. Holy water of Ganga. All Durga Puja, Jagadhatri Puja, Bhashan happens over there. Even right now, you can see some idols are there. 2:30 p.m. guys, 2:30 p.m. and you can see the sun is in that direction, and here I am. So I think this is Rani Ghat. Think so, not sure. But yes, I really loved the sugarcane juice. Really refreshing. स्वाधीन देश है हमारा, कोई भी भाषा बोले हम, हमारी मर्जी. So it could be English, could be Bengali, could be Hindi. For me it's mostly English. So Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Gonna get one mango juice, 30, 20. I'm gonna get the 30 rupees one, that one over there. So let's get that.
না থাকলে জোর করে দিতে হবে না।
বুঝতে পারছি।
যেটা হবে সেটা দেবো।
Chandanagar Strand, Saturday, 6th April. By the way, today is birthday of Purichand Thakur, so a lot of people are enjoying their holidays today. Guys, you should never vlog like this on a bike with just one hand. It's very dangerous. The road is empty right now in front of me, that's why I'm doing it. Otherwise, you should not do it, you know. Now I'm going straight back to my house. I keep coming here over and over, and I have also vlogged multiple times over here. So if you want to see more vlogs about this place, Chandanagar Strand, you can check my old videos, or in the future I'll also come here again, so you can. Choco Crunch Cream Bell, 10 rupees. My bike's parked back there. The ice cream store is over there. Look at both the sides before you cross. This is Chandanagar Joda Ghat. One there, one is over there. Generally the place is very full, but right now there are not that many people, so I'm feeling more free to vlog or to record this part of my life. Look at the texture of the ice cream. Okay, some people are there taking a bath. Boishakhi Mela. You need to walk your dog. Now we know we also need to walk our bikes. So guys, when I was in school, I had to come back after 4:30 my home. So I used to think that if I had rockets on my bicycle, how good that would be. But now we have rockets on our bicycle, and that is called a bike, right? So yes, we dug up a hole over here to bury the poop, and now nobody can tell somebody pooped here, some dog pooped here. Covered, but the thing is, I took the driving license test, not tense. Tense is in English grammar. So I took the test, learner's license test, guys, dear guys, learner's license test, driving license test, 2 to 3 months ago. I still don't have the driving license. Something is going wrong. Something is wrong about this. So I went to the RTO, I went to the post office. They could not direct me clearly, so I think I need to go to the cyber cafe with the papers. They could answer. Cyber cafe. Not now, later. Look, our jackfruits have really gotten big. They were like baby sized. Now, like they were this much. Okay, this much. You can clearly see the size. This much. What is that yellow stuff which is coming on my fingers? What is this stuff? But they were so tiny. This one was like that. but now they all have become, mostly, not all, not you, but mostly they have become so big. তো শোয়ার জায়গা হয়েছে, আমার ঘরে গিয়ে শো। Man, the water is really hot right now. The water is really hot right now because now it's cooler. Because the water was in the pipe, that's why it was hot. Shower complete.
খুব খেতে ইচ্ছা করে তুই বাড়িতে এনে খাবি এরকম করিস না
হ্যাঁ চলো। দেখতে হবে মাছ, কাতলা, মৌরলা। Guys, opened the door for Shanu. I generally opened the door a few minutes prior 4 p.m. So he comes about 3:45. So I would open it around 3:30. But today I got a little late to open the door. So you saw probably that Shanu has arrived. And now I also need to brush my teeth because I ate fish just now and I cannot conduct a class with fish smell in my mouth, so I also need to ready for the class. Dekho guys, look at the plane. Looks like a cargo plane. Guys, the stool was over there, got overheated. I think I need to keep it inside. যেমন এই গাড়ি যাচ্ছে। Taking Shanu to show him the magic aquarium.
এদেরকে এরকম খাঁচায় বন্দি করা ভালো না, যেমন পাখিকে খাঁচায় বন্দি করা ভালো না।
কেমন লাগলো? দেখো এদিকে দেখো, বাইরের দিকে দেখো। হ্যাঁ, সানসেটের সময় যেরকম দেখতে লাগে না, কোনো দিন অরেঞ্জ হয়ে যায় ওই রকম। So guys, we are about to start our class and this is the camera that we are using to record the class, and we have Sanu over here. So this time he has written some words that I told him to write down last week. So here we go. There's a wide angle view also. Wide angle. I'm recording with my phone.
এখানটা একটু নিয়ে
Guys, it turns out that the stool is self-healing because it got itself fixed. Huh. See over there. There. I have never seen the dogs sleeping here. Today, first time. ওই মানে বল পড়ে গেছে, কি করে যাবে ওই দিক থেকে। গাইস, লুক অ্যাট দিস ক্লাম্বার বয়, টুল পড়েছে। সো আই টোল্ড শানু টু কিপ দ্য ডোর ওপেন, বাট হি হ্যাড ইট ক্লোজড this much, so he went like this and he closed the door totally. Yeah, not totally, but he closed it like this. Yeah, but it's great. So guys, as you can see, the first group has started playing cricket. Guys, see, I kept the stool, that stool, and that stool there. It fell down, and my mother got shocked. Like, what happened? But I guessed that the stools have fallen down. In the winters, you don't need to wash your clothes every day, but in summer, you need to. See over there. There.
লুকানোর ভালো জায়গা দেখাচ্ছে রে বুঝতে পারিনি
বুঝতে পারোনি না?
না বিস্কুট দিবি নাকি
So my mother gave them couple of biscuits, 4 biscuits, 2 for this one, 2 for this one. But let's see they eat or not. She called me because they were not eating the biscuits. Now, oh, বিকা না না এই তো খাচ্ছে, এই দেখো তুলতে পারছে না সে,
বুঝতেই পারছে না
তুলতে পারছে না,
এ বাবা
তুলতে সে না খেতে পারে, এই তো তুলেছে এই आय 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 ये ले जा बच्चे आओ आटा बुझे ও কত দূর পর্যন্ত আছে ये लो ठीक है अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा. They don't generally stay here or lie down here or sleep here, but it's getting so hot and this place is very cold, so that's why they are staying here, because they also have some sense what's cold, what's hot. क्या हो गया? भौंक क्यों रहा है? So my mother just boiled the tea in this pot, then she poured the tea from here to there, and now she's going to pour the tea from here to there, because it's hard to pour the tea directly from there to there, so that's why this pot comes into place.
উড়ে যায়
Tomato. No biscuits left. The dogs got 4. I got 2. Mother got 1. No biscuits left. Gotta bring some. 2 biscuits and black tea. Just 1. Where did the others go? So I still don't have enough courage to ask them to play with. I told you that they would get some sunshades, but I definitely didn't know they would get them so soon. 6 p.m. but a couple of months ago 6 p.m. used to be really dark, but now the sun has set. We cannot see the sun, but it's not dark anymore, not that dark at least. Yeah, let's go and do some editing. So guys, we were thinking the sound is coming from the hinges, but it's actually coming from the door closer, because I touched the door closer and it was vibrating. Needs some lubrication. Just a little bit of water left. This is called the bottom water. We should never ever drink it. Still there are a few mosquitoes are getting in, but the color of the mosquito is quite different, maybe not visible through the camera. So I was playing a 3 minutes game versus US, but you can clearly see that we have won the game because they resigned. So they made a move where they suddenly moved their queen from here to there, okay, and maybe they aimed for my queen was over here, but then they moved there to there, their queen, then I got their queen and then they designed. Just editing the 1st April video, but you can clearly see what's happening with me, that I am getting really sweaty over there, that you can see. So I need to set up a fan over here in this room. Yes, I have got this ceiling fan over there, but I don't like to use the ceiling fan. The air is the air is very different from a table fan. I like table fan is better. So I'm gonna set up a ceiling fan after this editing. I was editing and my mother has brought me some chatu. Some mosquitoes were coming in spite of the mosquito nests. So we have turned on the fan and also we have opened up the door. Let's see the method works or not. I was watching this weather report and according to this weather report, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow it may rain in West Bengal, some of the southern districts of West Bengal. So that means that the weather is going to get much more pleasant. Turned off the fan and you can see over there that there is some gap between these two mosquito nets, and same here over there you can see my fingers can easily get past, like there are over there, maybe you saw it, and similarly here. So the thing is, night time is the best time to edit, because at night it's it's the best time to edit, because in the daytime you can do so much under the sun, but at night your actions are more limited, so that's why it's the best time to edit. But mosquitoes are also coming today. Yeah, mosquitoes are coming today, but the thing is, this is what we are going to do. We are going to stitch up these mosquito nets. It can be done hand by hand. All this there and there. Then hopefully the mosquitoes will stop coming. If not, we'll also patch up the ventilators. We have just 4 over here, so 4 pieces of the net and it will be done. The orange one is bad, but the pink one is good. Chair is এই দেখো অন করো লাগাও, এই তো অন করে লাগাও দাও আমাকে। Let's see guys if we can kill some. অনই হচ্ছে না, দেখো guys, it's not turning on. I think this is also broken. Every time he goes with his bike, the bike leaves a lot of petrol in the atmosphere, so petrol pollution. I cannot sit in the lotus position right now, so I'm going to remove them so that I can sit in the lotus position. That should save me from the mosquitoes. ঠিক আছে। Much safer from the mosquitoes. I now need to edit a sensitive part and my mother is not leaving the room. Hey, যাও ঠিক আছে যাও। Needed to edit this part. I have edited 25 minutes of the 1st April video. It's a little bit of a shame because I am editing this 1st April video on 6th April because it's late, but I can hear some sound, some bhajan is coming from outside. So let's just take a break from editing and let's just go out on our cycle to see what's going on. So when I am entering the room, it sounds like that some fan is on, because I have got a fan over there. Is it visible? Yes, it's barely visible, but visible. Actually the sound is coming from the pump of the bowl, but I am not still very familiar with the pump sound. Just stepped on this poor creature, Kenno millipede, and it left its last breath. So guys, just trying to find the place from where that sound is coming, but it's pretty hard to find that place. I can hear the sound again. Am I getting closer or far away? So guys, I went in the wrong direction. So that place is called Puro Street. So the function is taking place in Puro Street. Oops, forgot to turn off the bathroom light. Got two of them. One will be melted and another will be eaten raw. Yogurt getting ready. Okay guys, I have put them in. Let's open the windows because a lot of smoke is coming out. The pot is so small you can clearly see. It's getting burned, starting to get burned. It doesn't smell good guys. It smells like something is getting burned. It's really dangerous. Turn it off. You can see there is fire on the 5-star. There is fire on the 5-star. Let me just take it out. Just take it out. Take this out. Okay. So you saw what just happened. Okay. Let's just put the second one in a big pot. Yeah, I put the second one in the big pot. Let's see what happens. It has started melting once again. Some of you would have said it burned because the pot is small, but the second one, the smell is really bad guys. The smell is really bad. A lot of smoke is coming out like that. You can see. Let me turn on the fan over there. Let's see it catches fire or not. Even if it doesn't catch fire, it's going to get burned. It caught fire guys, caught fire. Turning this off. I have no intention to play with fire. So let's take these tongs or whatever this is called technically. Okay, let's put it over there. And you can see so much smoke. Let's take both the pots and put them in water because I just know that they are too hot to be eaten right now. So let's leave them. We'll check them out after half an hour. Hear this. The sound is definitely coming from the door closer. Definitely oiling it tomorrow morning. My god. There's no other option but turning the fan on. I was having my legs up and I was thinking, or I was having that gut feeling that I'm safe from the mosquitoes. But eyes don't lie. Just put in some oil and this is the result. Done, fixed. It did not work the first couple of times, but the third time it worked. Let's check out the chocolate. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Yeah. Here we go. Here is the 5-star. No, not eatable. The black parts are definitely not bad actually. Bitter, but edible. Not a dessert. You can eat it. Can't do any better than this. 28 minutes of the video is edited, but the thing is I feel like I've been wasting a lot of electrical energy because of the fan. But I don't have any other options. I cannot just get bitten by mosquitoes. Tomorrow morning I'm definitely going to get my ceiling fan over here, hanging on top of my hair. You will see how I do it. Very interesting idea. So my old viewers know how I did it last time, but this time I'll have to use a different method, but kind of the same method, but tomorrow you will all see it. Good idea. But tomorrow morning the first thing I'll do, which is that I'll stitch up this part, one, and then this much, and then this much. So these 3 stitches. After oiling, the door closer was still creaking, so I thought I need to call the carpenter again. But the third time it worked, thankfully. Some mosquito was biting me over there in spite of the fan. 10 p.m. I definitely cannot finish the whole editing right now. You can see this much is edited out of this much. So I'll finish the rest of the editing tomorrow morning. Watching Dumb Box. Totally forgot that I didn't lock the gate. Tomorrow I am getting mutton. Generally on the Sundays, our family, mother and me, if my father comes, then we all get chicken. But tomorrow we are getting the mutton. Somebody is sitting over there. Let's see who that is. Not very sure. There are high chances, guys, that tomorrow there are going to be some rain or something like that. While eating the chatu, I was hearing that news in that Bengali news, and my mother also heard about this today in her radio. There is somebody, not sure who, but looks like taking care of the flowers over there. One would say I'm wasting my time recording my daily lives, my daily events. But the thing is, I'm not wasting my time. I'm learning a lot, just a lot. There is just such a beautiful place over there to sleep, but she is still sleeping on the road. It's too dangerous to sleep on the road, both for the rider and also for her. Guys, look, there are 2 of me. But why? There are 2 Triptopals. Ha ha ha. The wind is just great, guys. The wind is just great. 10:22. Let's go there and see. The door is closing too loudly. I need to do something about it. Just transferring 245 files. 4 bright lights. Full speed AC. Okay, guys, here I am. Don't know the time, but you can see our house is over there. No, not there. Over there, under the dark. But here I am, over here, under the bright lights over here. And our friends are there. Where is the mother? That's the mother over there. That's the thing. 10:20. It's 10:37. 10:37. So 10:22 to 10:37. 32, 37. 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes. All our friends are there. Over there, 2 of them are there. 1 is over there. Great. Took me 15 minutes to get from there to here because I got stuck doing something, so that's why. Sometimes some local boys would come here, but today they are not here, so that's why I am standing here. I am not that friendly with the local boys. Over there, I was over there. Again, 2 Triptopals. There is just nobody but me, but it's such a pleasant place to be right now. I played football a lot, so a lot of my friends broke their windows multiple times. Probably not intentionally, but a lot of times those windows got broken. Some dog markings are here. Planes going by. So guys, there are 2 ways for me to get back to my house. One is I need to hop over the fence because the gate is closed. Another way is I get out from there, then I take the road, I go all the way around, then I take that bridge. There is a little bridge, then I go all the way, then I get back to my house. So definitely the first method is better. There was no gate before, but recently they have put on this gate. Same here. I can see the indicator of my mother's room. This light over here is also a new thing. We also didn't have this light here 6 years ago. No, cannot leave it over there because the boys play here. So let's move that from the beach. Let's go. I can also go there and see some vehicles here and here. Guys, it looks like the lorry is going to come. Most likely the lorry was checking the engine, so it didn't come. Let's just get back to our house. Looks like a coin. Let's leave that alone. I need to get the other door closer because this door closer is too loud. I don't generally have this button of my shirt closed, but why now? Forgot to open it, or forgot I overdid my shirt. Another reason to like English so much would be because it gives us so much intellectual freedom. What's that? Where I am standing, this floor is not theirs, but they have put on this like this, whatever this is, cement on it, and maybe to prove this is theirs, but this is not theirs. Let me say another thing about these people right now, which is when I studied in maybe 8th, 9th or 10th, maybe 9th, I don't know, somebody would come here and ring their calling bell and they would come here and ring their calling bell, and they would go away, and they didn't know who is doing it. So once they suspected one boy, not me, somebody else. They suspected his name is Sunny. Okay, so yeah, from our roof there is a house which doesn't have any color on it. Okay, and yes, so that's their house. That's the house of Sunny. Okay, so the woman of the house suspected, not me, the woman of the house suspected Sunny, that boy who is 6 months older than me, suspected him, and she went to their house and started calling him Sunny by a lot of bad names, like a lot of swear words, by a lot of bad names. So that says a lot about her character. I never had this lock on this grill, but since I have got my bike, I have become extra careful. There's a firefly, guys. There's a firefly. Did you guys see? I have caught fireflies many times in glass jars, but it looks better in nature. Let's get in. If I am not publishing my videos, then the process is not complete, which is not good. So I do need to publish my videos. Tomorrow a lot needs to get done. I wanted to turn off the light, but I pressed the wrong button. I pressed this button, okay, but I should have pressed this button because the bulb was on, okay, not the tube light. Let's just make a few points what needs to get done tomorrow. Edit curtains plus vests, mutton, door closer, mosquito nets. Did I miss something? So today when Shanu came, I was showing him the properties of this aquarium, or the properties of this bowl, that whenever you touch it, it glows. But I told him it's visible better in the night. Okay, so I have a question for some time in my mind. Maybe you can answer the question. So if you know the answer, please let me know down in the comments. The question is, am I the first Indian daily vlogger who vlogs in English, or am I the first Indian English daily vlogger? Am I? Today I'll have to record my diary like this because the handle is on the roof and I don't have that energy to get on the roof and get the handle. So recording like this today. 6th April diary video. So just got the diary video of 6th April, as you guys can see, 6. So it's now my bedtime. So let's turn on the light over there and let's turn off this light. And oh, take a look over there. Some sort of magnification is happening over there. Great. Some people have those cubical or cuboid aquariums or aquariums. Some people have those cuboid aquariums, but I like this bowl type aquariums much better. Gotta be careful with the bowl because it's not that hardy, so gotta be careful. Let's just get into. So okay, smash the like button to subscribe, share your thoughts down in the comments, and share the video with your best friends. Okay, so let me just tuck in the mosquito net. Today I have started recording the outro a little early. I thought let's do it a little early. Let's just give you a feeling of the diary video recording. So by the way, diary videos are getting good number of views. Okay, it just has the diary video channel, every diary channel, my every diary channel just has 40 subscribers, I guess, but it's getting good views, so that's great. Okay, if you disappoint your customers, they are not going to come back, so you need to keep that in your mind. Well, I don't look at my subscribers as my customers, but still they are in some way, in one way, my customers. Oh man, finally I'm on my bed. Oh ho 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 ho. Oh ho 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 ho. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, while I was going to bed, I bumped my head. Okay, like really hard. I am fine, by the way. I did not have any brain damage, but bumped my head against this thing over here. So is there any difference in my voice? I don't know. Anaconda. Did you guys see the movie Anaconda? 1999 movie, probably. That's the best snake movie I've ever seen. Okay, guys. Okay, most of the snakes are non-venomous, so they are friendly, but people still kill them out of ignorance or out of their sheer stupidity. But our Lord also loves snakes. Mahadev, Shiv, Mahadev, Shankar, Bholenath, so many names he has got. So why does somebody have so many names? Because different people know him for different reasons, that's why. So similarly, Krishna has got 108 names. So why? Because differently, he's known differently. So that's why. Okay, I think enough for now. So do the 4 things that I just mentioned little ago. Yeah, the YouTuber stuff, like chef stuff. So do them and you will always be lucky. Okay, then